Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to teach you how we make one of our favorite breakfasts, avocado toast on homemade sourdough bread.
We're going to use sourdough bread, but you can use any other kind of bread. We think this is the best bread to use.
Yeah. So the first thing we're going to do is we cut all our slices, and now we're just going to put them all into the toaster and toast them.
Two at a time.
Now we're going to go ahead and fry our eggs.
So we're gonna get cooking in our eggs. I like to use these stainless steel pans. I've had them for 16 years of marriage. They're emerald. This is a 10-inch skillet because we're making eggs for all of us. So I like to spray it with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, and you don't get the eggs to stick if you get the pan hot enough. So we're going to preheat the pan to get it nice and warm. So I've heated my pan over medium heat. You'll have to adjust for yours. And now I'm going to put in my eggs. You could do scrambled eggs. We just find it easier to do fried eggs. We like to do what we call killing the eggs, but first we're going to sprinkle with a little salt, a little bit of pepper. And then we use the end of our spatula to poke the yolks. And this is what we call killing the egg. My hubby likes runny eggs, but I do not like runny eggs. So we'll let them cook here for a bit.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with our avocados. We're using 2 because we just have such a big family. But if you're making it for 2 to 3 people, you'll probably only need 1. We're going to go ahead and cut it like this in half, getting all the way down to the nut. That way we can twist our avocado, pull it out, and then hit it with our knife and kind of twist, and it comes right out. And then we're going to go ahead. I find that cutting it into slices or cubes makes it a little easier to get out instead of doing it into chunks. So I'm just going to do large cube sort slices, whatever you want to call them. And then I'm going to take it with my spoon and move and get my Pyrex dish and spoon my avocado into my Pyrex dish. And then we're gonna mash it. Kayla's gonna mash our avocado for us so that it can be spreadable onto our avocado toast bread.
I'm just going to mash it here.
Using a fork is always best because it's easy to hold, and it also mashes really well.
Or you can use any other thing that might be really good at mashing, but we just use a fork to make it a little simple.
And then we always add everything but the bagel seasoning to it to give it just a little more taste than you usually would have.
And you just leave it on top.
And you can mix it in.
Or you can mix it in. Mm-hmm. We usually mix it in.
All right, go.
Now we're going to butter the bread.
Now that it's done toasting.
Yes.
We like to butter it, and then we put avocado on top of it, the avocado mix we just made.
Here.
So you can put it on this one because I just buttered that.
And you want to cover like the surface of the bread because, I mean, it tastes better with more avocado.
Yeah. And the funny thing is, Kayla, do you like avocado?
No, I hate it.
Do you like eggs?
No.
Do you like avocado toast?
Yes.
Do you like guacamole?
Yes.
But you don't like avocado or eggs.
Yep.
You're weird. You also don't have to use toasted bread. For me and Kayla, we don't usually like toasted bread.
No,
We
I
like
love toasted bread.
I like lightly toasted bread. So sometimes I don't even toast mine, and you don't have to toast it. You can do whatever you want with your.
So the girls have our toast ready, and with our eggs ready, all we're going to do is plop a couple eggs on top of the toast, and it's done.
You're the one that closes this up really tight. Holy moly!
Me and Bella are the same height.
Slice it, mash it,
Try it.
eat it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Mmm. I love it.
That egg was hot, but that was good.
Do you like it, Bella?
Great, quick, and easy breakfast.
Yummy.
Oh, I like to make it every Monday.
Yeah.
And at least another time during the week, too.
Except today's Friday.
Yeah, exactly. Another time during the week.
That bread is tasty.
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Can you say eat it?
Can we do something like this tomorrow?
I know, I want to eat it again.
No, I'm saying like through another video. Oh, you got the egg.